Okay, so it's July 5th and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've got the little entrance guard or whatever, and what I'm noticing now is that a couple of these guys actually have some pollen on their legs. Not that guy, but a few of them that are coming in. Hopefully one will come in while I'm filming this. I think this guy may have some, but it's definitely cool. This guy does for sure. That one. They've got some pollen, and yeah, they're coming to check me out. This guy that's flying is definitely, it definitely has some pollen right there. That guy. Could probably tell. I'm not sure. But it's an interesting thing. That one has some right there. You can see, oh yeah, you see them? They're bringing in the pollen, which is great. Look at them, there's two more. Yeah, about to go in. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. Talk to you guys later.